a mad sort of ranting through the White House's walls. All his tweets are in caps lock too. And up in his nursery every word is absurd. He's lost it and has gone cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Now fretfully his maggots are trying to compel us to share their views. Cuckoo. Fake news. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, good night. The votes were cast and counted, they were right. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu. Results came through and lots more states were blue. So long, farewell, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen. I'd like to stay and count those votes again. Yes?
No.
So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. You'll leave, we'll heave you out and you will cry. Goodbye. You've got to go, you narcissistic liar. You twit, our votes were counted, now you're fired. You're done, you're gone. Look forward to jail time.